how educated they are, how is the response, and how as an industry professional you are now trying to possibly streamline.
This is not the job of the ministry. So you have to hire the right people. कुआं प्यासे के पास नहीं जाएगा, प्यासे को कुएं के पास आना पड़ेगा. हम लोग जीपीएस में प्यासे को कुएं के पास ले आते हैं, बट उसके बाद मैं पानी तो नहीं पिला सकता हूँ.
How as an industry professional you are now trying to possibly streamline educating people.
This is not the job of the ministry or the finance department to educate or guide the industry. It is for the associations. It is for the individuals to learn. It is for the CAs or consultants who are guiding them if they have hired them. People don't hire people. So if you are not hiring someone, they will not tell you. Okay, someone has to talk about these compliances in a community, in an industry. फिर हम जब ये सारी चीज़ें इम्प्लीमेंट करा लेंगे, इंडस्ट्री को करेक्ट करा लेंगे, फिर हम मिनिस्ट्री के पास जाके बोल सकते हैं कि हमारे को भी इंडस्ट्री स्टेटस चाहिए, हमारे को भी इसके रिलेटेड बेनिफिट्स चाहिए.
Do you think the associations are working towards it? And if not, are you with being associated with so many travel associations, are you working with the associations only to educate and get those members on the table with you to possibly get the knowledge that you're sharing?
So obviously a lot of associations are running some sort of programs from time to time for the members. It's not that associations are not doing that. It's definitely the responsibility of the associations. These associations from time to time keep on doing some sort of an educational for their members, but members take it lightly when it's a free service. A lot of people we have noticed that they don't take it seriously, क्योंकि सब बोलते जब होगा तब देखा जाएगा. वो एटीट्यूड है इंडस्ट्री में, तो आप उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते. और जो सीरियस है, इंडस्ट्री में अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, जो सक्सेसफुल हो रहे हैं और जो आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, they understand, they are from time to time they are educating themselves.